Hi, Mark the Language Guy here with just a fast word about Google Translate corrections that I'm now putting on YouTube. Keep in mind that idiomatic expressions are not literally translated. It's sort of like in English when you say, I would just as soon go to the store. That means I would rather go to the store. It has nothing to do with soon at all. So please keep this in mind. Today, I'd like to teach you how to say, a bird in hand is worth two in the bush, in Spanish. Pájaro en mano vale 100 volando. Literally, a bird in hand is worth 100 flying. Pájaro en mano vale 100 volando. In order to say a bird in hand is worth two in the bush, in Spanish, simply say, pájaro en mano vale 100 volando. Pájaro en mano vale 100 volando.